Hi, today I'll show you how to set up the PS4. So, first of all, you need to connect your DualShock by using the cable and press the PS button. Then select your language. Let's select by using Wi-Fi. And let's connect to our Wi-Fi network. Let's skip because we don't have camera. So now we need to choose our time zone and select our data and press next. Press next again. You can change your reset mode function or just press next. And let's press start now, and that's actually all. So let's press the X button again, and thanks for watching. Press the like, comment our video and subscribe to our channel.